Hi, I'm going to do a few things with this MacBook, and the things that I'm going to be replacing or demonstrating how to be replaced is for MacBook Pro. The years are from 2009 to 2011, and this can be done on 13 inch, 15 inch, and 17 inch. I'm going to demonstrate it on a 15 inch first, and then move on to 13. And I don't have a 17, so you just have to take my word for it. Obviously, before starting any project, you definitely want to have the correct tools and make sure you have the quality tools, not any kind of tools. So anyway, to do this, for example, if you want to replace your battery, you will need a trigram or tri-lube screwdriver. So here's that, and then you need a crosshead, which is right here, and occasionally you'll need a spudger like so. So these are two, especially these two tools, you will need to replace your RAM, battery, and hard drive. And usually a lot of people replace their battery, obviously, because they need a new one or it went bad. Occasionally they collapse, they arc. Your hard drive, you need to upgrade to a new one or a solid state drive. And obviously the RAM, for whatever reason, you need to upgrade. So let's begin. First of all, I'm going to start with this screw right here. You have total of 1, 2, 6, 7, 8, 9 screws to be taken out. So these 3 screws are the longest ones. They look like that, and the rest of them are small, like so. So remember those 3, 1, 2, 3, are long ones like this, and the rest of them are small. I'm going to pause this video and take out the screws and then continue. So I took out the screws. Here are the 3 long ones and 6 little ones. And now remove the bottom case. Once you remove the bottom case, this is what you're going to run into. Sometime you may have a difficult time removing that bottom case. That's why you need this little spudger right here, like so. So first I'm going to demonstrate how to take the battery out. The battery requires a tri-wing screw. You really can't. My camera's not able to pick it up. So anyway, there's one right here, and there's one right behind this little sticker piece right here. I'm going to pause the video and get back here. Alright, I cleaned the lens. Hopefully it will show the screws much better. I think it does. Here's one. And there's one right there. So we'll start taking them out. Again, you need a tri-wing. That's a short one, and this one is going to be a little bit longer. I guess they're both short on this one. Usually, I think it's the 13 inches that are a little bit longer. So there it is. Still having a hard time, the camera picking it up right there. Trying. To remove the battery, this is where the spudger comes in handy. Right here, this piece. You need to lift it up, like so, and then lift up your battery, and then pull it away from yourself, like so. So there's these three little pieces right here, so you gotta be careful. Pull it out. There you go, battery out. Next thing is your RAM. So if you need to upgrade your RAM, this one has currently 2 gigs. If you need to upgrade it to 4 gig or whatever, just pull on these. Oops, I don't know if I demonstrated that right. So these knobs right here. Push them one way, the other, they pop up, and then pull the RAM out of there. It's kind of hard to demonstrate and videoing at the same time. And they pop up the same way, pop in the same way. Make sure you do not, this right here, make sure it gets lined up with this little piece. So push in, same way it came out. Push in, and there it goes. So the next thing is the hard drive. Say you're upgrading your hard drive to a solid state. So there are 2 screws right here. Here's one, and here's one. We're going to use this tool to remove that. So this piece comes off, and your hard drive should be pretty free coming out. So it comes off from this side towards your super drive. Pick it up, and then pull this piece right here. Hard drive out. So this is the 15-inch that I worked on. Took out the hard drive, remove the RAM, install the back, and remove the battery. I'm just going to move on to a 13-inch. Here's a 13-inch. I already took out the screws out of it. Same thing. There's 3 long ones here, and then the rest of them are small. So I usually just come from the back. Again, you might have a difficult time picking this thing up. If you do, just wiggle it and move the bottom. As you can see, it's pretty much the same thing. Flipping it around, your battery sits here, your hard drive, and your RAM. So just apply the same concept on it. The only difference is here's a tri-wing. It's not hidden behind a sticker like the last one was, and here's that one. And the difference, this is the one that has a long screw. Yep, there it is, and a short one. There they are. And same thing again. Here's this. Pop it out, pull it towards you, and away. There's the batteries. And again, RAM, hard drive, same thing. One, two. The reason it lights up and then gets dark because the sun is going in and out. I don't have the best lighting out here. There it is. This one actually have a little sticker like this. Most of them should have this. The 15-inch that I demonstrated obviously was just a dummy hard drive that I was using. And again, here it is, your hard drive coming off. And same thing with your RAM. Just pull these right here like that, and your RAM will pop out. Alright, thank you for watching. Again, when dealing with a project like this, make sure you have the right tools so you don't damage the screwdriver, the screws, or anything else. I highly recommend to get high-end tools like these, and if you need them, please contact me, or I'll put a link there so you could purchase them, or actually donate, and I'll send them to you for free. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.